Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am taking you inside one of India's most iconic Mughal masterpieces, the Agra Fort. Built in the 16th century by Emperor Akbar, this red sandstone wonder isn't just a fort, it's a whole wall city with palaces, mosques and halls of power. Fun fact, Shah Jahan, the emperor who built the Taj Mahal, was imprisoned here with a view of his beloved creation across the Yamuna River. Stick around as we explore the stunning architecture, hidden stories, and breathtaking views inside the UNESCO World Heritage Site. So, right after our visit to the Taj Mahal, we decided to wander around some of the gullies nearby. These streets have such an old school vibe. And what's interesting is that there is no big hotels are allowed to be made here,
Wait a minute! Who are you?
which keeps the charm alive. By the way, if you haven't watched my first video of exploring the Taj Mahal, don't forget to check it after this one. After walking around for a while, we stopped at a small desi style hotel. We had paratha with aloo ki sabji, and honestly, even though the dish is very common, each place adds its own uniqueness to the taste, and this one was really good. From there, we made our way to the majestic Agra Fort. This fort is one of the most iconic Mughal structures in India, built from red sandstone. It looks more like a walled city with palaces, courtyards, and some amazing history behind it.
This is the Agra Fort, which is at the back. Let's go in. This is the fort, and you see from here down it was water and all. You see in the movies, like when there is tribes and other people come and attack the fort, there would be water, and then they would give the oil, they would leak the oil. From there, no enemies could enter through it because it would be in fire. So in attack times, this is a kind of survival for them. And then this is all the redstone on the food.
So here we are at the entrance of the Agra Fort, also known as Amar Singh Gate. This is the main entry point for visitors today. The walls are massive and rise up to almost 70 feet. It already feels like stepping into another world. The architecture here is bold and grand, and just from the gate itself you can tell how powerful and important this fort once was. Let's head inside and explore what's waiting for us.
सर ये सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम है जो कि सिर्फ घोड़े के पैर होते थे ना, उससे हुआ करता था। जैसे कि आपने देखा घोड़े के पैर में लोहा लगा रहता है, जिससे नाल बोला जाता है। नाल सर इसके बीच में जाता था, इसके बीच में जाता था। समय पे लकड़ी का हुआ करता था, जो कि अप एंड डाउन किया जाता था, अटैक के टाइम पे ऊपर और वैसे नीचे।
गेट जो अमर सिंह गेट क्या था वो गेट
अभी बाहर वाला अमर सिंह गेट। हाँ, अमर सिंह गेट सिक्योरिटी चेक हो रहा था, ब्रोकेज से अंदर आया
वो जो चेन से।
सेकंड गेट आपका जो अभी टिकट चेक करा है, नौबत थाना म्यूजिकल वेलकम गेट। नौबत मीन्स होता है नगाड़ा, हमारी लैंग्वेज में ढोल। तो राजा महाराजा को वेलकम के लिए नगाड़ा बजाते थे। तीसरा गेट जो अभी आपने क्रॉस किया, अकबरी गेट। अब देखिए तीनों गेट जो आप क्रॉस करके आए हो, आपको एक भी गेट दिखाई दे।
The fort was built with four main gates: the Delhi Gate, Lahore Gate, Amar Singh Gate and Water Gate. Out of these, the Amar Singh Gate is one we use today to enter. What's really interesting is how these gates were designed with security in mind. The entryways are not straight, they are twist and turn, which means if enemies tried to charge in with elephants or soldiers, they couldn't just rush straight. The angle part slowed down them, and while guards from above the walls could attack them easily. The gates themselves were massive, covered with iron spike, so that even war elephants couldn't break them open. All of this made Agra Fort not just a royal residence but also a strong military defense structure.
अनाउंसमेंट हो, जैसे सर उस समय पर अनाउंसमेंट होता था जलालुद्दीन मोहम्मद तशरीफ ला रहे हैं, यहाँ पे होता था, दोनों साइड आप देखेंगे सर नगाड़ा बजाते थे। सर देखिए बोलने जो आवाज़ गूंज रही है ना, मुंह से अंदर पता चलता था राजा महाराजा के गेस्ट आ रहे हैं।
नहीं हुआ।
ये जहांगीर पुस्तकालय है, जहांगीर का लाइब्रेरी।
जी।
ये उसी समय का पेंटिंग हुआ करता था, जो पेंटिंग जो कि सर पूरे पे महल पे हुआ करता था इसके, जो कि सर आधा 500 साल करीबन इसको हो गया, 95 साल इसको कंप्लीट होने में लगा, और उसमें जनरेशन बाई जनरेशन इसको बनाया गया। ये नेचुरल कलर हुआ करता था सर, जो कि फल फूल सब्जी से नेचुरल कलर बनाते थे उस समय।
अंदर में जाएंगे, स्किप कर दे रहा हूँ। क्या है? ड्रेनेज है, आधा इधर पानी। हाँ
उस समय की टेक्नोलॉजी पानी डालने के लिए यूज़ करते थे आप लोग जानते सर, मस्क एक लेदर बैग होता है सर, उसके फैसिलिटी होता है, उसमें पानी कभी गर्म नहीं होता है, पानी ठंडा रहता था सर, इसमें ठंडा पानी डालते थे तो और रूम ज़्यादा ठंडा रहता था। जैसे सर अभी जो ठोक रहे थे ना सर, ये खोखला बज रहा था ना, इस तरीके के से आजकल देखिए सर, हम क्या है अपने घर में एजॉस्ट फैन लगाते हैं गर्म हवा को बाहर फेंकने के लिए। ये अपना सर एक विंडो बनाया गया यहाँ का, वेंटिलेशन विंडो, जो कि मैसिव विंडो है।
Here if you speak this, here if you speak, listen here. So to the microphone, but from here what you speak is all you can talk. When you let me show you the window. This is the exhaust window. From here you can see it goes outside, but when you go outside it is a closed exhauster. When we come here from outside, this is what it looks, and this is all closed, but when we go up and see, from there you can see it down. So this is a kind of exhauster in the olden times. And from here also, this is the best view to the Taj Mahal. Here is your Taj Mahal where I am standing. So Agra Fort and Taj Mahal is quite perpendicular. So from here we can beautiful views of this Taj Mahal. Keep watching. छोटे बेटे का बेडरूम, ये वाला।
One of the most fascinating things about Agra Fort is how secure it was back in the Mughal era. The fort is surrounded by double ramparts and massive walls, some of them rising up to 70 feet. But that wasn't only defense on the outside. There used to be deep moat filled with water from the Yamuna river. And here's the wild part. The moat was said to be guarded by alligators and sometimes even tigers, making it nearly impossible for enemies to cross. Inside the walls, the Mughals had a very systematic arrangement of soldiers and guards. The formation was such that if one layer of defense was broken, another would be waiting right after it. The zigzag pathways and the gates slowed down the invaders, while archers and gunmen could fire from the top. Even war elephants couldn't charge through because of the sharp iron spikes on the gates. So basically, Agra Fort wasn't just a royal residence, it was like a fortress city built to withstand any attack.
So this all the ornaments, this all the designs you are seeing here, this was all gold. At that time Britishers came and then they ignited all these things, so the gold got melted down and they took it off. This is all this was all gold. You can see some of the markings here. So these was all gold. All was melted down and then has been taken out. See, you can see the proofs here. So this was all melted down, and this is the whole marble stone of this is also called the air window. From here you can also have a view of the Taj Mahal from there. Let me show you Taj Mahal. Yes, so this is what it is, and I can show you some of the part which is not melted also. So when you come up here from the entrance from there, if you come here is a part where you can see this was not melted. So this is the gold. Some
पर्दे के लिए
अच्छा, ये पर्दे के ऐसे रिंग है. ये प्रेशर के वास्ते है, पूरा प्रेशर था.
Here's something cool about the Anguri Bagh. It wasn't just a simple garden. This was part of the zinana, or the ladies' quarters of the fort. The royal women used to spend their evenings here, enjoying music, poetry, and the calm atmosphere. There are also underground chambers beneath this garden, which were believed to be used for storage and sometimes even as cool resting areas during the hot summers. From the balconies around the garden, the view looks like a living carpet or greenery and flowers. So Anguri Bagh was more than just a garden. It was a blend of luxury, privacy and Mughal artistry.
अभी आपने देखा छोटी बेटी है.
अच्छा, ये बड़ी बेटी जहान आरा, बड़ी बेटी है. क्या हुआ?
हाँ जी जी.
अच्छा, शादी नहीं हुई बोल के पालकी बना.
इसलिए पालकी बना दिया सर.
मतलब
पालकी का मतलब डोली बेटा, डोली पालकी उठाने के लिए.
हाँ
शादी नहीं हुई
हाँ.
तो बस तुम्हारी शादी होगा सरकार साहब हरी चौका बना दिया.
अच्छा, तमन बुर्ज बोलते हैं इसको. यहाँ से शाहजहां अपना ताजमहल देखते गए थे. तो बाग के वहाँ पे ब्लैक ताजमहल बनाने वाले थे. तो यहाँ पे एक वाइट ताजमहल, एक ब्लैक ताजमहल बनाना चाहते थे, मगर वो ज़्यादा पैसे खर्चा हो रहे बोल के उसको यहाँ पे हाउस अरेस्ट कर देते. तो यहाँ से जो है ताजमहल दिखता था. यहाँ फाउंटेन है, ये फाउंटेन में से अपना वजू खाना वही कर सकते. ये अपना ड्रेनेज है, यहाँ पे ड्रेनेज, यहाँ से पानी आता, यहाँ से लेके पूरा वहाँ तक जाता. बस ऊपर क्या है नहीं मालूम, मगर ये पूरा पानी जाके यहाँ से यहाँ आता. यहाँ से अपना व्यू भी है, वहाँ से वहाँ ठहर के अपना मस्त व्यू आता था, मगर अब ये ब्लॉक कर दिया. कहीं को बोले तो ये जो है ये दिख रहा है आपको जेम्स, ये जेम्स ये वाला ये भी एक जेम है, ये वाला एक जेम। सो दिस आर रियल जेम्स हैं। तो इसको ये लेके जा रहे हैं, तो ये क्या बोलते प्रॉपर्टी डिस्ट्रॉय हो जा रहा बोल के इसको जो है बंद कर दिया। जैसे अपन देख सकते हैं। What you are seeing here is a cave or tunnel which goes to the Taj Mahal. Here is a Meena Masjid, but it is closed. But this masjid is only for Shah Jahan. It was built only for Shah Jahan because it was house prison. So that masjid is only for Shah Jahan. उसको दीवान आई खास बोलते, दीवान आई खास। ये भी जो है डैमेज करते बोल के बंद कर दिए। यहाँ पे मंत्री बैठते थे और वहाँ पे राजा बैठते थे। यहाँ पे जैसा वहाँ पे बाहर क्लोज्ड जजमेंट होता था, यहाँ ओपन जजमेंट होता था। तो ये ओपन जजमेंट में डैमेज हो गया। तोप का गोला मार के 2 बार ये टूट गया है। ये तो ये पर्शियन लिखा हुआ है पूरा। इसके एक तोप का गोला उधर लगा, वो साइड में बाउंस होके उधर लगा। ये पर्शियन लिखा हुआ है इस पे। और ये मटेरियल से वहाँ पे और एक जो है बाग, वहाँ जहाँ दिखता है आपको, वहाँ पे भी एक और एक ताजमहल बनने वाला था।
So that brings us to the end of our journey through the Agra Fort. Honestly, walking through these walls feel like stepping back in time. Every corner tells a story, every stone has witnessed history. But this isn't just the end of our series. Next, I'll be taking you to the Fatehpur Sikri, another stunning Mughal city filled with history and charm. I'll link that video right here, so make sure you watch it after this one. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and if you like my content, you can subscribe to my channel as well for more amazing journeys ahead. See you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring. Thanks for watching.